Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums. Amal Sehrawat, who is currently a part of Colors TV show Choti Sardarni, told us about his quarantine routine, missing friends, new learnings and more. So let's find out.
Hi friends, my name is Amal Sehrawat and I'm sure that you are taking very good care of yourself and your family in this quarantine. Very good. So please stay home and maintain social distancing. I'm here today to chat with you all and tell you about my quarantine routine and what am I up to these days. So let's start with what is my quarantine routine. I have become a very late riser these days. So I wake up by 1:30 or 2 p.m. Then me, my wife, my son, we all have our breakfast together. And after that, my son goes for his online classes in another room. My wife gets busy with the household chores and I start with my workout. I still do workout of 60 minutes or 90 minutes daily with resistance bands. And after that, I go for a shower, then I read a book. I started reading history books these days, which I enjoy a lot. And then it's the dinner time around 10:30. We all are done with our work, and after having dinner, we watch a movie followed by games such as carom, chess, or book cricket or something, and then we sleep by 4:30 or 4:45 in the morning. One thing or talent I have rediscovered about myself during this time. Okay, so I have rediscovered that I have become more patient and more adaptable. So to explain, initial 2-3 days of quarantine were very difficult for me to stay at home the entire day. But after that, I adapted to it. I started seeing the positive sides of staying at home. I started enjoying more with my family. I started catching up on the movies and the series, web series I had missed on while I was shooting. I also started chatting with my very old friends with whom I lost the touch because of my busy schedule. So yeah, I rediscovered that I have become more adaptable. 3 things I recommend people to do to become more productive. Alright people, first thing is that be happy. If you can't, then find the reasons to be happy, like engage yourself in the activities which you like to do and keep on doing those activities. Secondly, tie yourself to a certain kind of a goal which is not very stressful to you. Anything which you again enjoy, but tie yourself to a goal because it will be an anchor. Then you won't get bored the entire day. And third and the most important thing is that be in touch with everyone, like the people you know, because always remember that a human is a social animal. So don't live in isolation. Go and meet your friends or chat with them on FaceTime or Zoom or any app you like. Am I doing household chores? To be very honest, I'm not doing any household chores. Fortunately, my 24 hours help is here, God bless her. And my wife is taking care of most of the things, so I don't have to do household chores. First thing I shall do after quarantine ends. First thing that I'll do after quarantine ends is that I'll just go out and roam on the road like a free bird. Without any motive, without any intention, with the purpose of going somewhere. No, I just want to enjoy the fresh air and the freedom to be outside without the fear of being infected or without the fear of being caught up by some agency or by some disease. I just want to be on the road. How much do I miss meeting my friends? Frankly speaking, I don't miss meeting my friends because constantly I'm in touch with them either on the WhatsApp call or FaceTime or something. So rather I think that now we guys chat more because all of us are free. So I don't miss them, rather I'm enjoying their company more. Last message to people, is that, look at the brighter side of quarantine. I don't think so in this lifetime we'll get an opportunity where we get all the time to spend with the family and with ourselves. We are so busy with our professional commitments otherwise that we hardly spend time with the family and we do not spend time with ourselves at all. So please start meditating, connect to your inner self and see. The magic will start happening. Alright guys, once again stay safe, stay home and maintain social distancing. Till then,
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.